Hello, in this video tutorial I show you how to enter and how to edit interior 3D objects. In the first step we open our model home. In our example we will place some seats and interior objects in this area of the ground floor of our model home. Therefore, we zoom in the first step the 3D view into this area. In the next step, we will display the 2D view in maximum size. Therefore, we select the 2D view and now we select the point view and the function Show All. Or we press in the 2D view the shortcut Position 1 or Home for the function Show All. The 2D and the 3D view are now in a good position and give us a good overview. Finally, we deselect the grid and the line width, also for a better overview. We select the 3D view and now we can start entering interior objects. At first we will create a seating group. Therefore we select our Catalogue and we click on Interior. Here we select the folder Seats and for example, Credo. We select a nice looking corner unit, for example this one, and when we make a double mouse click on it, we can open the preview window. Here we can take a first look at our corner unit, and when we press the left mouse button and move our mouse, we can rotate the view. At the point Details, we can see all important informations about our corner unit. For example, the width, the height and the depth of the object, and also the position. We can select between other, fixed level, on the floor and to ceiling. We select Other. We press OK. And now we select our corner unit with a left mouse click. We still press the left mouse button and we drag it into the 3D view. Now the corner unit is on our cursor, and when we move the mouse we can move the corner unit. We have selected for the position Other, and now when you position a 3D object in the 3D view, the 3D object gets caught on the next resistance. A resistance can be, for example, a wall, the stair, or the floor. The window at the left upper corner of the 3D view is the Tool Options window. With this window we could enter an angle for our object, or we could also select a position for it. If we would like to switch into this window, we could select it with a left mouse click, or we could press space. We can show or hide the tool options window with the shortcut W. If it's in your way, you can also select it with a left mouse click and drag it to another position. To change the angle of an object, we turn the mouse wheel. Please note, changing the angle of an object with the mouse wheel only works when the Tool Options window is activated. If the Tool Options window is deactivated and you turn the mouse wheel, you will move the view up and down. So this is the correct angle for our object, and we place it, for example, here. After it, we press Escape. In the next step, we will move our corner unit into the correct position. Therefore, we select the 2D view, we zoom a little bit into the view, and we select the corner unit. Now we could select the function Move with Reference Point, or we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. We select our reference point, that's this point, and we move it to this point. After it, we can press Escape. We zoom a little bit out of the view, and we select again the 3D view. Now we will enter the other parts of our seating group. Therefore, we switch into our Catalogue, and we select, for example, this object. We drag it again into the 3D view, and we turn it with the help of the mouse wheel in the correct angle. That's the correct angle, and we place it, for example, here. Now we will change again the angle of the object, and we place the second one, for example, here. After it, we press Escape. In the next step, we will bring the seating units into the correct position. Therefore, we select the 2D view, we zoom a little bit into the view, and we select one of the seating units. Now we select the function Move with Reference Point. We select our reference point, that's this point, and we move the unit to this point. After it, we press Escape. Now we select the second unit. Of course, we can also press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point, and we move the unit to this point. After it, we press Escape. Finally, we zoom again a little bit out of the view. Please note, there is also a more precise way to move the objects into the 2D view. Just for example, we select the seating unit again and we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. Now we press the right mouse button and we select the constructional support. With the functions of the constructional support, we can position our objects more precise. We press the Escape key, and in the next step we will create a multiple copy of the upper seating unit. Therefore we select it, we press the right mouse button and we select the function Multiple Copy. A new Tool Options window opens, and here we select for the direction the point bottom. For the distance we enter 0.70 meters, and for the number we select, for example, 2. After it we can press OK. We select the 2D view and we press Escape. Our seating group is now complete, and finally we will also enter a chair. Therefore we select the 3D view and we switch to our Catalogue. We select, for example, this chair and we drag it into the 3D view. The angle is already correct and we place it, for example, here. After it, we can press Escape. In the next step, we will change the texture of our seating group. Therefore, we switch to our Catalogue and we select the point Textures. We select the folder Interior and Leather. Here we can select one of the leather textures. We select, for example, this texture and we drag it to our seating group. In the next step, we will edit the texture. Therefore, we select the point 3D functions and edit material. We select our texture. The material editor opens and here we can define the properties of our texture. First we click at the color, we select the white color and we press OK. Same thing we do with this color, we select white and we press OK. Now we set the diffuse portion, for example, to 100%. For the intensity, we enter also, for example, 10%, and for the highlight size, also 10%. After it, we press OK. In the next step, we will transfer the texture to all the other parts of our seating unit. Therefore, we zoom a little bit into the view and we select Transfer Material. We transfer this texture to this part, to this part, to these parts, and to our chair. To your information, When you transfer a material and you press at the same time the Shift key, you can also transfer the texture coordinates. After it, we can press Escape. Now we zoom a little bit out of the view. And in the next step, we will add a table to our seating group. Therefore, we switch again to our catalog and we select the point objects. We select the folder Tables. That's this one. We open the folder Rolf Bands. And we drag, for example, this table to our 3D view. Now we scroll the mouse wheel to change the angle. This is, for example, the correct angle. We place the table and we press Escape. Just for example, if we would have entered now the table in a wrong angle, I show you now how we can change the angle afterwards. Therefore, we select the 2D view, we select the table, and we click on the point around Z-axis. In the first step, we select a base axis, therefore we press Ctrl for a 100% vertical line. We press the left mouse button and now we turn the table. We press the left mouse button again and now we have changed the angle of our table. We press Escape and we select again the 3D view. In the next step, we will change the dimensions and the appearance of our table. Therefore, we select our table, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. At the point Dimensions, we can change the dimensions of the 3D object. We enter, for example, for the width 1 meter. If we would select the point Scale Distorted, we could distort the object, otherwise it gets automatically scaled. When we select the function Scale Distorted, we can enter the width, the high and the deep, and it don't get automatically scaled. The position is on the floor, that's correct, and we can press OK. The size of our table changed and we can press Escape. Now we will turn our table into a glass table. We select therefore 3D functions and edit material. We select our table, the material editor opens, and at first we select for the color, for example a white color. We press OK. Here we also select a white color. We press OK. And for the transparency, we enter 60%. After it, we can press OK. The table looks now like a glass table, and in the next step, we will enter some wall lights. We will enter 3 wall lights which we will position with the help of guidelines. We select the 2D view and we click on 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline and Numeric Parallel Guideline. First, we change the color of the guideline, therefore we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. We click on Appearance. We select the color, for example a green color, and we press OK, OK and OK. By the way, there is also another way how we can select the function Numeric Parallel Guideline. We press Escape and we press the shortcut P for the function Numeric Parallel Guideline. We enter now our guideline from this line into this direction in a distance of 1.112 meters. After it, we can press OK. We press Escape. We switch to our Catalogue. We go back into the interior menu and here we select the folder Lighting. We select Wall Lamp, the folder Schmitz. We select, for example, this lamp and we open the preview window with a double mouse click. That's the correct lamp. And we can close the preview window. We drag the lamp into the 2D view. We change the angle of the lamp. That's the correct angle and we place it on the guideline. After it we press Escape. Now we zoom a little bit into the view. We select the lamp and we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point and we move the lamp to this point. After it, we can press Escape. We zoom out of the view. And now we select the lamp again. We press the right mouse button and we select Properties. The 3D object properties open and we click on Light. Here at this menu we can edit the light settings. We can switch the light on and off and we can also create shadows. When we click on the color we can define the light color. We select, for example, white and we press OK. For the light intensity we enter 100% and after it we press OK. Now we will create 2 more wall lamps, therefore we use the function Multiple Copy. We press the right mouse button and we select Multiple Copy. For the direction we select Top. This time we need 2 wall lamps, so we enter at the field number 2 with a distance of 1.112 meters. After it, we press OK. We select again the 3D view and we press Escape. Finally, we enter some decoration on the table. To make a not too long video, we make a fast forward on this step. The decoration is finished now, and in the last step we will position a glass cabinet in the left edge. Therefore we switch to our Catalogue and we go back into the Interior folder. We select the folder Shelving, and here we select, for example, this rack and we drag it into the 3D view. We place it, for example, here, and after it we press Escape. We select the 2D view and we select our glass cabinet. We press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point and we move the cabinet to this point. After it we press Escape. We switch back into the 3D view and in the next step we will change the height of the wall lights. Therefore we select one of the wall lights in the 2D view. We press the right mouse button and we select Properties. At the point Position, the function Fixed Level is selected, that's correct, and for the level we enter 1.80 meters. After it we press OK. The wall lamp moved, and now we transfer the properties to the other lamps. Therefore we press the right mouse button and we select Transfer Properties. We deselect the point All Properties and we select the point Fixed Level. We click on Next. Here we select the point Manual Target Selection and By Target Selection. We select the two other lamps and after it we press Enter. We click on Finish. And now we can press Escape. If we like to, we can also group our 3D objects. At first we have to select them. Therefore we hold the Shift button and we select the objects with a left mouse click. There's also another way how we can select our objects. We press Escape and now we select the 2D view and we select our 3D objects with a box. After it we select the point Group and now all selected 3D objects are grouped. We press Escape and when we select now, for example, one of the 3D objects, we select the whole group. That's a big advantage because now we can select groups of objects very easy and we can also move them very quick. We press, for example, the shortcut R for the function move with reference point. We select the reference point, and now you can see that we're able to move the whole group. We press Escape, and if we would like to ungroup our objects, we click on the point Ungroup. We press Escape, and now we can select again every single object. In the end, we will change the settings for the internal light sources, and we will ray trace our living room. Therefore, we select the 3D view and we click on 3D Functions. Here we make a right mouse click on the field Internal Light Sources, and the properties open. We can use default settings, or we can calculate the sun position. We select Calculate Sun Position. We change, for example, the time to 4 p.m. For the sunlight intensity, we enter 60%, and for the environment light, for example, 40%. After it, we can press OK. The internal light sources are now finished defined, and now we define the ray trace settings. Therefore, we make a right mouse click on the field Ray Trace, and here we select at the point Anti-aliasing, for example, Strong Anti-aliasing. Please note that we highly recommend for strong anti-aliasing settings a good hardware. We press OK, and now we can make a left mouse click on the button Ray Trace. Of course, you can also maximize the 3D view and ray trace your project in maximum size. Now we can take a look at our finished defined living room. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.